welcome back to the channel. It's me, searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? I'm actually back with a recipe that's not from any of the cookbooks that I've been working on recently. I'm actually going to be making some bread today. Woohoo! What bread are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making bagels. Woohoo! One of the goals that I have this year is to try a new bread each month, so in hopes to feel a little bit better of trying to make bread, because it still intimidates me a lot. The goal is to just try a different kind of bread each month. So this month will be bagels. Wow. The recipe that I'll be using today is from The Cook's Treat. So the recipe that I'll be using will be linked in the description down below. But it doesn't seem like it's too bad. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's too bad. It says it's supposed to take like an hour and a half. So I'm not sure if that's going to end up being the case or not. We'll see. I mean, I gotta add Sarah time too, so it's at least 2 additional hours. It is currently 10:26 a.m, so let's see how long it ends up taking me. I was looking over the recipe a little bit, and it does remind me a little bit of pretzels, just for the sake of the part, because there is this step where I end up having it go into a wash. What is it called? It goes into a water bath. So I thought that and it also has brown sugar, just like how the pretzels did. So I'm hoping, since I was able to get a little bit of practice there, it would go pretty okay-ish on this one, but I mean, time will only tell. This particular recipe only has 8 steps, and I did write it down because I just like writing it down. It doesn't require too much. I also kind of got a little bit of water on here, but it doesn't require too much stuff. I don't know if you can even read my handwriting, but I'll have what you need right up here. So, I mean, I don't think it'll be too bad. Lots of worries on this, but I'm just gonna, as I always do, I gotta go in confident. That's the only way to go about it. I don't know. I'm hoping it goes well. If it doesn't, at least I tried. I do have, I don't know, I hope it works out. I'm scared. I'm a little scared. Maybe the bread knows I'm scared. No. I'm not scared, I'm brave. I don't know, let's just get started. And here are all the ingredients. Not too bad. I already put all the quarts of water in here. Okay. Line 2 half-size baking sheets with parchment paper. Spray with cooking spray. Set aside. Heat water in microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, or on stove until temp reaches 110 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. In a stand mixer, add water, salt, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, about half of the flour, and the yeast on top. You need to remember the half flour, not all of it. Turn on mixer and add additional flour as needed to form a firm but still soft dough. Dough should clear the sides and bottom of the bowl while it is mixing. It should be firmer than a roll or bread dough, but not so over-floured that it becomes tough. Also scared I'm gonna mess that up. Let mixer knead dough for 6 minutes to develop the gluten. I think that's good enough. To develop, okay, so I think that's good. Divide the dough into 12 pieces and roll each into a ball. Cover the dough balls and let rest for 5 minutes to relax the dough. Once rested, one by one, use your thumb to gently poke a hole in the center and carefully stretch the hole with your fingers until it's about 1 inch wide. It's so uneven, oh my god. Whatever. For best looking bagels, work quickly and gently, not worrying about trying to shape a perfect bagel. I'm gonna mess that up. I feel like I'm gonna mess that up. The less you handle them at this stage, the better looking your bagels will be. Place the shaped bagels on a prepared baking sheet, 6 per sheet, cover and let rise for 20 to 30 minutes. While bagels are rising, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my god. Heat 3 to 4 quarts of water in a large diameter pan with 4 tablespoons brown sugar to a boil, stirring to dissolve the brown sugar. You can use a large pot or a deep straight-edge skillet. Then adjust the heat until it stays at a low boil. After bagels have risen, transfer them 3 at a time into the water so that the bottom is facing up. Increase the heat under the pan to bring the water back up to a gently simmering boil, if necessary. Cook bagels for 30 seconds up to 1 minute, flip them over using wide-slotted spatula and cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute more. Remove bagels carefully and place back in baking sheet. Repeat with the rest of the bagels. Okay, I'll be honest, yo. I'm not feeling too hopeful about they look so bad. These look okay. No. No. But yeah, I'm gonna still. Whatever. Maybe I should put all the pretty ones together. Top bagels with preferred ingredients or keep plain. Is this just cheese, do you think? Alright, this is how I'm looking. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this one first. 20 to 25 minutes. Bake one sheet of bagels at a time for 20 to 25 minutes or until deep golden brown. Remove completely and place on wire rack. Sure. Wait for this one to go in. These up here look rough. Look at them. No. Okay, no. Yeah, they don't look good. That's okay. It's okay. Hey, bro. Like, dude. Yeah, they don't look good. It's okay. I'm crying. Let's see which one looks the best out of the bunch. Okay. I mean, it looks like a bagel. Okay. Should I toast it? Not very toasty, but whatever. I mean, it's not. I'm just gonna have one side the cream cheese and the other side not. Well, it looks like a bagel. Kind of. Here's the top. It doesn't look too crazy. Look how thin. Whatever, let's try it. It may look ugly, but it tastes like a bagel and it tastes like a fresh bagel. So I'm like, oh my god, like, oh my god. That was good. That's a good bagel, actually. Damn, okay. So I'm really excited about the rest of these to make breakfast sandwiches. I'm gonna make breakfast sandwiches out of them. Oh my god, it's gonna taste so good. But oh my god, yep, nope. Yep, I'm happy with the result. I think it turned out pretty good. Like, wow. I tried not to spend too much time shaping them, but I failed. That's okay. But I mean, I think this is going to count as a win. I mean, they're not aesthetically pleasing. And I mean, especially the one with like with cheese on it, I was worried it was gonna like burn it. I don't know. Actually, maybe not. I don't know. They taste like bagels. They taste like bagels. They kind of look like bagels, kind of. Enough. They look like bagels enough for you to be able to tell that they're bagels. So it's a win. Oh my god, I'm so happy with it. This one actually didn't overwhelm me at all, which was surprising. Whenever I saw the bagels go into the bath, I was like, okay, no, it's not going to look pretty. No. Honestly, I was kind of worried about me messing up the dough. I think it turned out pretty okay. I was just making sure it still felt soft and just went with it instead of overthinking it. Though I think I still overthought it a little tiny bit, but I don't know. It just seemed not too bad. I don't know. It seemed okay. I'm not sure if there are like different ways to make bagels, but at least this one seemed pretty simple and straight to the point. And it is 1:13, so I started at 10:26. So it was a couple hours, but it still worked out. I think it still worked out. I'm really happy with it. I don't know. 10 out of 10. Okay, maybe not. Maybe, okay, a solid score would probably be like 6.5 out of 10. It would be 7 if it actually looked like it, or like an 8, but nope, it doesn't. So the taste is still great. So like 6.5. Cool, awesome, amazing. But yay, another bread done for this month. Let's go. Oh my gosh, bread is still scary. It's still scary. I think I'm getting into the motions a little bit easier, so I think I'm leveling up, maybe, I don't know. But now, that's it. I guess that's all I got for you guys today. It wasn't exactly a cookbook, which I will be back with next week, but this week, just wanted to try making a bread recipe. The recipe that I ended up using is in the description down below. What did you guys think of this? Do you guys like bagels? Have you guys ever tried making bagels? Do you like breakfast sandwiches with bagels? Okay, I don't know bagels. I love bagels. I think they're super yummy, and I'm really happy that I have made my attempt to make them homemade. And it's cool. It's so cool. I feel like a cool guy. You're a cool guy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you had a good time hanging out. If you did, please leave a like and or a comment or whatever. But yeah, I wanted to thank you guys again so much for stopping by and watching this video until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Sure. Wait for this one to go in. These up here look rough. Look.